Alright, our fourth point is applying algorithms. This is going to be in response 2C. So let's look at response 2C. We need to paste a portion of our code, mark it with an oval, and that is going to be our algorithm. This algorithm needs to be fundamental for your program to achieve its intended purpose, so it needs to be something important. This code segment must be an algorithm you developed individually on your own, and it must include 2 or more algorithms, and must integrate mathematical or logical concepts, doesn't have to be both, but it could be, and describe how each algorithm within your selected algorithm functions independently as well as in combination with each other to form a new algorithm. Alright, so how do we get this point? Our selected code segment must implement an algorithm. Seems pretty straightforward. Here's how you lose the point. The algorithm consists of a single instruction, or the code segment consists of the algorithm is not included in the written response section or is not explicitly identified in the program code section. So if you do not have the oval around it, you will not get the point. If you do not talk about it in your response to C, you also do not get the point. You also lose the point if your algorithm is not explicitly identified. For example, the entire program is selected as an algorithm without explicitly identifying the code segment containing the algorithm. So some people put a circle around their entire program and that does not identify the algorithm. We switch over to the Chief Reader Report. Section 4. Writing a program that consists only of a few buttons and switches screens when a button is clicked. So some people had really simple programs that don't really do a whole lot. They just respond to button clicks. There's not really an algorithm going on in there. So you can't explain about that. You definitely can't make 2 algorithms combine into a new algorithm when the only thing you're doing is changing screens when you click a button. How do you get the point? You have to identify a non-trivial algorithm, and it needs to either have sequence, that's an order of steps, iteration where you repeat something, or selection, so that's an if statement.